Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. I am Khristy Sherrell, your official backyard ambassador for Recteq. Today we are doing something a little bit different out here in the backyard. We are going to be doing some smoked chicken Parmesan. Yes, you heard me right. When it comes to food, Italian food is probably my second favorite. Barbecue first, then Italian food, then Mexican food, and then down the line. But yes, we are doing smoked chicken Parmesan outside. This is a great video and a great cook for a lot of you out there that are on the fence to buy a smoker and you're like, I don't smoke that much meat. Well, the great thing about Recteq is you can take the everyday cooks that you do inside and you can elevate those outside on a Recteq, outside with the family, enjoying outside. We have some chicken breast here. This is a very simple recipe. Everything that you need to know is going to be in the description. We are going to start with just some regular chicken breast. Now with chicken Parmesan, you cut the breast in half. You want a thin piece of chicken. So that way it cooks quicker and you get more of an even cook. What makes chicken parm are the panko breadcrumbs. I got these at the grocery store and they're Parmesan herb. They have a lot of different selections, different seasonings. I like the Parmesan herb. Some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna do about a half a cup. What I like to add in there too is I like to do about half a tablespoon of garlic powder. And then, or half a teaspoon of garlic powder, sorry. 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. Boom, boom. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of salt. Boom. And then we are going to do about a half a teaspoon of pepper. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little salt and pepper and go over each chicken breast. I got a regular baking sheet, put some aluminum foil on it, rub some olive oil on the aluminum foil. Easy, easy, easy. Now what we're gonna do, chicken, make sure to cover it really good with the egg wash. We're gonna go in here, panko crumbs, make sure you get a nice cover on it. It's gonna be beautiful. Lay it on the sheet. Now that we have the chicken breast covered in the panko crumbs and our Parmesan cheese, this is gonna come together nicely. So what we do, set your Recteq to 400 degrees. This is a high temp cook. So 400 degrees for about 15 minutes until they're cooked thoroughly. You're gonna look at about a 165. I always check my poultry, so 165 is what you want to aim for. All right, guys, it's been 15 minutes. It's starting to crust up. The cheese that's in the panko crumbs is starting to melt a little bit there. So what we are going to do is now we are going to flip these guys over. Okay, now that we got each one flipped over, I cranked the RT700 up all the way to full. We want that thing just going as hot as it can go. Because now what we're going to do is we're going to take some marinara sauce and, oops, I use about a 1/4 cup. I use this guy as a little guide and just kind of lay it right on there, like so. Mozzarella, and just put it on there. We're gonna put these guys back on the Recteq until that cheese is nice and melted all over this chicken. All right, let's get them back in there. I'll see you in a few minutes. Would you look at that right there? Man, the mozzarella is nice and melted. We're gonna garnish it. That's some good looking chicken parm right there. All right, let's get one of these guys off of here. Look at that cheese. Man. And then get you some parsley. Let's garnish it up a little bit. This is just another meal that you can cook outside on the Recteq. Doesn't always have to be briskets and burgers and pork shoulders. Chicken Parmesan on the Recteq RT700. Now, let's cut into this thing and see how we look. Perfect. That's good. The cheese, the crunch of those panko crumbs. All right, guys, we will see you in the next video.